Hi, today I want to teach you definition of subject and object in English grammar. Definition of subject and object in English grammar. By the end of this training, you will understand the definition of a subject in a sentence. Identify different types of subjects: simple, complete, and compound. Define what an object is in a sentence and its types. Differentiate between direct and indirect objects as well as objects of prepositions. Here are the key definitions and examples. Definition of subject. Definition of subject. A subject is the part of a sentence that performs the action of the verb or is described by it. Examples: dogs bark loudly. Dogs equals subject. Types of subjects. Types of subjects: simple, complete, and compound. Examples: the big black dog barked loudly. The big black dog equals complete subject. Definition of object. Definition of object. An object is the part of the sentence that receives the action of the verb. Examples: she bought a book. Book equals direct object. Types of objects. Types of objects: direct, indirect, and object of a preposition. Examples: she gave John a book. John equals indirect object, book equals direct object. Now let's check our knowledge retention with a couple of real-life examples. Tom kicked the ball to Jerry. What are the subject and objects? Example: Tom, subject, kicked the ball, direct object, to Jerry, indirect object. Your action should be: identify the subject and objects in the sentence. The teacher gave students homework. What are the subject and objects? Example: the teacher, subject, gave students, indirect object, homework, direct object. Your action should be: identify the subject and objects in the sentence. Now let's recap on what you learned and what you need to remember. Subjects perform actions in sentences. Objects receive actions in sentences. Understanding subjects and objects is essential for constructing clear sentences. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Education with Sohail for more informational English videos. Thank you for watching this video.